If you've been in crypto for a while, you've probably heard people say things like, the big gains are gone, or you're too late. But here's the truth. Opportunities are still everywhere. The key is spotting projects that have real long-term potential, strong fundamentals, and room to grow massively. In this video, I'm going to break down a few cryptos that I believe could be game changers and have the potential for 50 times, even 100 times returns over the long run. First up, Ethereum, ETH. While it may not sound like a hidden gem, Ethereum is still the backbone of decentralized finance, NFTs, and countless other applications. With upgrades improving speed and scalability, Ethereum is positioned as the go-to smart contract platform for years to come. Think of it like the internet layer of crypto. It might not 100 times overnight, but over time, Ethereum could easily surprise everyone with how dominant it becomes. Next, Polygon, MATIC. Polygon has built an ecosystem that helps Ethereum scale by making transactions faster and cheaper. Major companies are already building on it, from gaming to DeFi. If Ethereum is the engine, Polygon is like the turbocharger. With adoption growing, Matic has serious upside. Now, let's talk about Chainlink, LINK. Every blockchain needs data from the outside world, whether it's price feeds, sports scores, or real-world events. Chainlink is the leader in this space, connecting smart contracts to real-world data. Without it, most blockchain apps simply wouldn't function. That's why Link is often called the infrastructure coin, and why its long-term potential is enormous. Moving on, we have Solana, SOL. Despite some ups and downs, Solana has proven it can handle massive transaction volumes at lightning speed with low fees. Developers love building on it, and users love the smooth experience. As Web3 gaming and high-performance applications grow, Solana could be one of the biggest winners. And finally, let's talk about a sleeper, Arbitrum, ARB. This is a Layer 2 solution that scales Ethereum even further, and it's already one of the most used in the space. The community is strong, the ecosystem is growing, and it's positioned as a powerhouse for DeFi and new apps. ARB is one of those coins that could quietly explode in the coming years. The bottom line is this: yes, Bitcoin will always be the king. But if you want life-changing returns, you have to look beyond just the top coin. The projects we talked about today are building real technology with real adoption, and that's exactly what fuels massive long-term growth. So, which of these do you think has the biggest chance to 100 times? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into the crypto world. Remember, the earlier you research, the better your chances of catching the next big wave.